Alright, we're here at 252 Harrisburg Avenue in Lancaster. Right there's a wheelchair lift. And over here, we have an elevator checkout, and it appears to be modernized, sadly. It's got innovation buttons now. We'll start by going down. Let's go to B. Here in the basement. Very creepy. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Takes longer to level than it does to travel. Take it back down to the basement and get our cab view. Judging by how this cab looks, one of those was originally a Dover, but not 100% sure. Here's your floor indicator. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. These are your innovation universal buttons. And here we're back at the basement. Door close button works. And now, let's listen to the motor going back up to the first floor. Here we go. Not the most exciting elevator, but it runs pretty well. And there it goes, and that's it.